Sari stars, how are things going on in your sari world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavasaram, I'm going to showcase a beautiful collection of Kanchivaram silk saris. The festive season is almost here, and it's a very exciting time of the year for all of us. And we at Kalpavasaram have the best of Kanchivaram silks for you that will be the perfect wear for you this festive season. So let's get started with these beautiful saris. The most auspicious colors that we choose during festivals and special occasions are yellows, pinks, reds, and greens. So we have a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram here for you in the most auspicious combination of Manjal Kumkum, that is a yellow and Arakku. The body of this beautiful yellow sari has rhombus shaped buttas done in zari, and the borders are done using adai weaving. And there are beautiful motifs of tambalam. Tambalam is a tray or a plate on which special things like fruits or flowers or offerings, etc., are given during festive occasions. So there are tambalam motifs on the borders, and there is also a row of pakshi motifs in zari. There is a beautiful green selvage which elevates the beauty of this gorgeous border. The pallu of this beautiful sari is majestic and grand, and it has lovely motifs of elephants, that is yana, and then there are peacocks or mayil, and then there are lovely floral buttas all done in zari. The sari has a contrast blouse fabric in maroon arakku with the same borders as the sari. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with lovely traditional jewelry for a festive look. Yellow is considered a symbol of happiness. It's a color of positivity, joy, and draping the sari is sure to make you feel festive and extremely happy. So we are very pleased at Kalpavasaram to share this special pic with you today. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a very festive color, that is pink, is what we have now for you. Pink is a very classic, beautiful and elegant color, and we have this lovely Kanjivaram silk sari for you in this beautiful color. The body of the sari has lovely paisley motifs done in zari all over, and the border has a narrow stripe of zari like this, which is a few inches away from the edge. The pallu motif is also very unique and very different. It has diagonal stripes of zari, and in between these we find leaf kind of motifs all done in zari. I love saris like this where the zari is placed a little bit away from the edge because it gives the perfect opportunity and the perfect position to flaunt the beautiful necklace or other jewelry that you wear around your neck. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric in pink, but you can pair it with a beautiful ivory blouse or with an orange blouse, and those will look absolutely majestic with this beautiful sari. You can accessorize this beautiful sari with some lovely emerald jewelry or gold jewelry. For lovers of simple threadwork saris, we have a beautiful pastel green Kanjivaram silk sari with no zari, completely threadwork. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely pastel green, and there are diamond-shaped pink threadwork buttas all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a beautiful pink selvage at either end. The pallu of this beautiful sari has threadwork in pink. The sari comes with a lovely pink blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with ruby jewelry. A very festive threadwork Kanjivaram. This one is my favorite because it has two beautiful colors, orange and pink. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely shade of pink-orange mixed, and the borders are beautiful threadwork motifs of pakshis. There is a beautiful pink selvage which highlights the beauty of this lovely threadwork border. The pallu of this beautiful sari is a rich mix of beautiful colors like pink, orange and green, and it has similar pakshi motifs as the borders. The sari has a pink blouse fabric with beautiful threadwork motifs of pakshis on it. This is a very versatile Kanchivaram silk sari, and as it has no zari, it's perfect for office wear and small occasions. You can pair it with beautiful beaded jewelry to give it a very lovely and sophisticated look. Up next, we have a beautiful Kanchivaram in a very vibrant shade of purple. The body of this beautiful Kanchivaram is in a lovely purple, and there are all over mustard or rustish kind of checks all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but it has the same rustish selvages which elevate the beauty of this classic sari. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in the same brownish rust color as the selvages are, and the sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely pearl jewelry or gold jewelry, and those will elevate the beauty of this lovely sari. If you're a Rekha fan, then this sari is for you. This has a beautiful, gorgeous, long pallu, and it has got zari on it. And this is one of our most popular saris, and now it's restocked. The body of this lovely Kanchivaram is in a very deep maroon kind of color, and the borders have Banaras borders in zari. This sari has a long pallu, and it has beautiful zari motifs of diamonds, pakshis and Banaras motifs. And this is a kind of sari which you see Rekha wearing at different award functions. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. Accessorize it with lovely gold jewelry or diamond jewelry and make a style statement. Another beautiful, unique and exclusive sari is this lovely Kanchivaram with pulli buttas or dot buttas. The body of this beautiful sari has all over buttas like dots in colors of green and red. The border is very unique and it has got a lot of detailing. There is a row of pakshis here, then there is a row of small diamonds here, and then there is a row of leaf-like motifs here, making it look very unique and very beautiful. The pallu is very intricate and it's a work of art, and it has beautiful motifs of monkey, yana that is elephant and pakshi motifs all done in zari. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in a short mustardish color. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. This is a very festive sari and it is perfect for special occasions and events. For lovers of the beautiful color black, we have a lovely Kanchivaram silk sari with bold kattam in zari. The body of this beautiful sari has zari kattams all over, and the borders have lovely Mayilkan motifs in zari. There is a lovely pinkish selvage which highlights the beauty of this gorgeous sari. The pallu of this beautiful sari has seepa done in zari. The sari comes with a black blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a deep pink blouse like the selvage, and that will create a totally stunning look. Accessorize it with some ruby jewelry or gold jewelry and you are set for a festive day. If it's a festival, then it's a Kanjivaram. And if it's a Kanjivaram, then it's a Kalpavastram. You can shop for our exclusively curated beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with many more sarees and many more videos. Till then, take care and bye.